Did you know that this little strip of tape can help you stop snoring, sleep better, have more energy, and even make your jawline look more defined? It's called Novanest Anti-Snoring Slips, and it works wonders. Here's why. When you sleep at night, your mouth opens. This makes you breathe through your mouth, and that's actually really bad for you. Science has shown that mouth breathing makes you snore louder, gives you less air, less oxygen, and less energy. It keeps your body stressed at night and even weakens your facial muscles, making you feel tired in the morning. A famous writer, James Nestor, tried this experiment where he breathed through his mouth for 10 days, and here's what happened. His snoring got 40 times louder. His heart became stressed. He felt tired and confused, and he couldn't sleep well. But then, when he went back to nose breathing, he felt amazing again, right away. That's why Novanest Anti-Snoring Slips works so well. You put it on your mouth before bed, and it keeps your mouth closed. This means you breathe through your nose, and your body loves it. In just one night, you might experience no more snoring, deeper sleep, more energy when you wake up, and a more defined jawline. Your breath will smell fresher, too. Here's why your jawline gets better. When your mouth stays closed, your face muscles are engaged. It's like doing push-ups for your face while you sleep, making your jawline more defined. Plus, nose breathing helps you get more air to your brain, keeps your body calm all night, and heals your body while you rest. If you're skeptical, you need to try Novanest Anti-Snoring Slips tonight. If you don't sleep better in just one night, we'll give your money back. Novanest Anti-Snoring Slips is designed for women. It's soft on the skin, has a small hole for easy breathing, and it's easy to remove. Click the link below to get yours now, and we'll send you a second pack for free. Share it with a friend or keep it as a backup. Try Novanest Anti-Snoring Slips tonight and wake up feeling amazing tomorrow.